I tried the bread with the soup. Now I'm going to try the soup now. So good. And now we're going to try the chicken. So good.
Hi everyone, welcome back. You saw the review from my son for this hearty vegetable chicken soup. This is perfect for your lunch, dinner, or as an appetizer during the cold winter days. This hearty vegetable soup recipe is healthy but still filling and satisfying. It's packed full of veggies like here I've chopped carrots, then onion, sweet peppers, green beans, then there is jalapeno for little spice, and you can add potato also. And this is the stem of broccoli. I'm separately cooking the chicken here. I'll share the recipe for that. So, one whole onion we take for the soup, two carrots, bunch of green beans. I like to cut green beans like this in a round shape. So bring all together and cut the veggies like this. Here I've taken sweet peppers, that is red, yellow, orange. You can add green peppers also. This is jalapeno deseeded and cut it into small dice. Broccoli stems are full of fiber and nutrients, so I usually take off the outer rind as this can be a bit stringy. Then slice the stalk thinly and add it to my soup. And here I've taken ginger and garlic cloves. Next, going to make a fine crush of black peppercorns and ginger. Here I've taken 4 glass of water. This is a measuring cup that I took. In the boiling water, we'll add bay leaves and peppercorns for extra flavor. You can also add star anise seed or cloves for more flavors. And this is 5 chicken thighs that I've taken, cut it into small pieces and put it in the boiling water. Let the chicken cook on that and set it aside. So let's saute the vegetables now. Here I've taken 1 tablespoon olive oil. Now gradually add all the vegetables and saute for 5 to 10 minutes. So before start adding all the veggies, I first like to saute the garlic and ginger garlic, black peppercorns that I crushed. We add it together and saute for 2 to 3 minutes. This is medium high heat that I'm cooking right now. Once the garlic start turning brown, little golden brown, you can add all the veggies here. Starting with onion, then broccoli stalk, carrots, saute all for 5 minutes. Once the raw taste of the onion goes, we'll add rest of the veggies. Add salt to make the process little faster. Saute vegetable for 5 minutes. So here I've added only salt. You can add salt per taste. Next we add the boiled chicken. We'll add the chicken broth. I added little salt to the chicken while it was cooking, so the chicken also gets a salty flavor. Combine all together and let this cook for another 5 minutes. So you can close the lid here. And we are cooking this in medium heat right now. While sauteing the vegetable, we did it at medium high heat, but rest all the process is done at medium heat. After 5 minutes, we'll open the lid and see it's nicely bubbling. We will add the extra ingredients. So here I'm going to add 3 tablespoons soy sauce, tomato paste, a tablespoon. You can add 2 to 3 tablespoons tomato flavor also. But in this soup, I really want it to be less tangy and more rich in vegetables, and kids can enjoy the chicken, everything blend. Here I'm adding black pepper coarsely crushed. You can add 1 to 2 teaspoons. For a little spice, here I'm adding hot sauce. Here I have mixed 2 tablespoons corn flour or cornstarch and add water. Make a slurry and add to this. This helps the soup to little thicken up. This is optional. You can skip it if you don't want the soup to be too much thick. But yeah, as we have a lot of vegetable here, the quantity of vegetable is too much, so it already make it little thick. And this is optional. This is red wine vinegar. You can add lime juice instead of this. Now add the corn flour slurry. That's it. Now let it cook for another 5 to 10 minutes until you see a nice bubble on it, and it's ready to be served hot. So here I'm making a crouton, and I did not had a ready-made one, so making my own with 1 tablespoon butter, garlic powder, parsley. These are dried parsley. Then for little spice, you can add cayenne pepper or paprika for little red color, salt per taste, or if it's a salted butter, you can skip adding salt. Now apply this on a bread. Then I air fried this for at 400-degree Fahrenheit. So you do not have to flip when you're doing it in your air fryer. It evenly cooks both sides, so it will be nicely crisp. And we are cooking this at 400-degree Fahrenheit. So yeah, 5 to 7 minutes you can put, and it will be nicely crisp. So here the soup is ready to be served hot. Perfect for cold winter days, You can enjoy this hearty mixed vegetable, these colorful vegetable and chicken soup. It tastes so good. With really less spices we have used here. We did not add so much of, spices. And it's ready to be served hot. Look at these. Isn't it looking so good? Perfect winter soup. Healthy and nutritious. I did not add potato here as my husband is avoiding vegetables that's full of carbs right now. So this is perfect for him, and my kids also enjoy this combination. Also, stay tuned. I have a bowl of soup left from this, and I have made a fried rice with it. So I'll share with you all how I made the fried rice using the leftover soup. That I'll be sharing in the next video. So stay tuned. And here the crispy croutons are ready. That's it. You can make small cubes with the bread slice. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.